deferred their planned march to Delhi following a tense standoff with the Haryana cops. Now, the protest aimed at highlighting the demands escalated as authorities deployed tear gas and water cannons to disperse crowds. Reports suggest that over a dozen farmers were injured during the clashes. In fact, in response to the ongoing tensions, farmers have announced a tractor march and rail roko protest in Punjab on December 18th. Despite the setback, the protesters remain determined to press on with their cause, intensifying their actions in the coming days.
एक तरफ वार्ता करते हो, दूसरी तरफ पानी मारते हो। अब देश ये बताए हमने भी वायलेंस किन्होंने किया है। सत्ता पक्षों या विपक्षों मिलकर गेम खेल रहा है और देश की पार्लियामेंट में हमारे किसान मजदूर के मुद्दे पर बिल्कुल भी चर्चा नहीं हो रही है। आने वाले समय में जो दोनों फोरमों ने निर्णय लिया है, एक तो 16 को ट्रैक्टर मार्च होगा पंजाब को छोड़कर भारत के अन्य राज्यों में होगा, और दूसरा 18 तारीख को 12 बजे से लेके 3 बजे तक, 18 दिसंबर को 12 बजे से लेके 3 बजे तक पंजाब में केवल पूरी तरह रेलें जाम की जाएंगी।
The third attempt for the farmers to cross the Shambhu border and enter into the national capital witnessed some more chaotic scenes. Now, while the last two times the scenes were of tear shell were being lobbed from that particular barricade, this time it was also the water cannon. The combination of both of them led to the injury of 17 farmers which were hospitalized later. As a result, the leader Sarwan Singh Pandher called back the farmers, called back the agitating farmers and held a meeting. Now, after the meeting, it was decided that on 16th of December, a tractor rally will be organized across the nation except the state of Punjab on 16th of December. And on 18th of December, the farmer organization in Punjab will hold a railway halt movement, a rail roko abhiyan between 12 to 3 in the afternoon. Now, this is what Sarwan Singh Pandher has said, that now they have to resort to different methods to make their voice heard, because even in the third attempt, even after 10 months of constantly struggling, sitting here, the government is not ready to listen to them. So now they are resorting to new methods. 16th, they are organizing a tractor rally in all the states except Punjab, and on 18th of December, only in Punjab between 12 to 3 in the afternoon, they are organizing a rail roko abhiyan, a railway halt movement. Now, how they have also said that the next delegation of 101 farmers which will again do a foot march would be consisting of women and farmers from Haryana. Now, there have been a lot of allegations that members from Haryana have not been a part of this, but now the next delegation, although the date has not been decided, would be consisting of women farmers as well as the farmers of Haryana. Now, the date will be decided after the Rail Roko Abhiyan. So far, these are the latest updates. How the Rail Roko Abhiyan will pan out, what will be the map for the tractor rally,